Hello traders, how are you today? I welcome you to the ForexBOD Trade Academy. Victor with you here as usual, and we will be presenting another idea. This time is pound versus Australian dollar. I actually thought that I covered all Australian dollar currency pairs, but it seems that pound Australian dollar left untouched, and we will fix this just today. And before we start, I would like to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only and should not be considered as a financial advice. Before we start, let's actually go through all ideas that we had previously very quickly. Australian Canadian dollar, it's slowly moving as expected, although still range trading. I think today is Wednesday and we will see finally some strong movement. Australian Japanese yen, it's actually moving quite nicely to the upside, so expecting to continue that tendency. Australian Swiss franc above the point we published the idea, so seems quite good in terms of potential upside. Australian New Zealand just above the entry. So here we expect move to the upside as well. New Zealand Swiss franc slightly below the point when we published the idea, but also expecting a move to the upside. The Euro New Zealand dollar continues to move towards the target, so we will see how it goes, but for now looks like it's just about to accelerate even further. Euro Australian dollar also moving towards the target and also seems to be accelerating. Australian versus dollar above the point of entry, expecting the price to reach the resistance quite soon. Either it will be the first or the second resistance. New Zealand Japanese yen, this is the idea of yesterday. It's actually moving quite nicely towards the resistance. There are two resistance levels, 70.43 and 71.00. And finally moving on to today's idea, which is pound versus Australian dollar, the last currency pair, major currency pair that we left uncovered with the Australian dollar. Let's see what is happening here. First off is a clear downtrend. Obviously price is trending down and lower lows and lower highs are being produced. We have this downtrend trend line and we see that price cleanly rejected the trend line. There was a small spike produced, but even on 1 hour chart, it failed to close above. So clearly, yet again, it approached the trend line, which seems to be like the perfect opportunity for very fast decline. Today is Wednesday. We should see this quite fast towards the support. The support is located at 177.20, which is confirmed by this corrective wave to the upside, where the moving average 200 period exponential was rejected. So originally this was the corrective wave. Price failed to break and close above this level on 2 occasions. So I used this level for the downside potential support level. And to confirm the support, let's move on to the weekly chart. I have applied Fibonacci to the overall uptrend and we have 61.8 exactly at our target. Well, not exactly, it's probably slightly off. Let's just zoom on 1 hour chart and see. Well, it's exactly, you see guys, it's just perfectly corresponds to the support. So it should be near 177.20 area. So yeah, the support is confirmed and I do believe this will be a very nice and very fast downtrend. So that's it guys, hope you enjoyed it. Massive likes, comments, ask questions. We will see you tomorrow with updates on all the ideas which are going quite nicely. Take care and talk to you tomorrow.